Good day everyone! In this video, we will going to talk about identifying whether the equation is identity or conditional by using trigonometric identities.
But before that, we should first know what is identity equation and what is conditional equation.
Identity equations are equations that are true no matter what value is plugged in for the variable.
If you simplify identity equation, you always get a true statement.
While conditional equation is true for some values of the variables and not true for others.
Do you already know the difference between identity and conditional equation? If yes, then let's get started.
For the first example, the given equation is sin x times secant x is equals to tangent x. And this will going to be sin x times 1 over cosine x, because 1 over cosine x is equals to secant x. So after that, we will going to multiply sin x to 1 over cosine x, and this will going to be sin x over cosine x. And we know that sin x over cosine x is equals to tangent x. So the final answer will going to be tangent x is equals to tangent x. And this equation is an identity equation because they are equal. For the second example, the given is cosecant x times tangent x is equals to sin x, and this will result to 1 over sin x because cosecant x is equals to 1 over sin x times sin x over cosine x because tangent is equals to this. And we will going to cancel sin x and sin x, and this will result to 1 over cosine x. And 1 over cosine x is not equals to 1 over cosecant x, so this equation is a conditional equation. Another example equation is cosecant x times tangent x is equals to sin x, and it will going to become 1 over sin x, which is equals to cosecant x multiplied by sin x over cosine x, which is equals to tangent x, and we will going to cancel, so it will become 1 over cosine x is equals to sin x, and this 1 over cosine x and sin x is not equal, so this equation is a conditional equation. And for the next example, the given equation is secant squared x over tangent x is equals to secant x multiplied by cosecant x. And we will going to separate secant squared x to tangent x, and it will going to be secant squared x over 1 multiplied by 1 over tangent x. And this will going to be 1 over cosine squared x, where it is equals to secant squared x multiplied by cosine x over sin x, which is also equal to 1 over tangent x. And after that, we will going to cross out, and it will going to be 1 over cosine x multiplied by 1 over sin x, which is equals to secant x multiplied by cosecant x. And this equation is identity because this is equals to this. And for the next example, the given equation is sin x multiplied by tangent x plus cosine x is equals to secant x, and it will going to be sin x multiplied by sin x over cosine x, which came from tangent x plus cosine x is equals to 1 over cosine x, which is equals to secant x. And after that, we will going to multiply sin x to sin x over cosine x, which will going to be sine squared x over cosine x plus cosine x is equals to 1 over cosine x. After that, sine squared x over cosine x plus cosine x multiplied by cosine x over cosine x for them to have a common denominator. After you multiply this, it will going to become cosine squared x over cosine x. And after that, you will combine sine squared x over cosine x plus cosine squared x over cosine x, and it will going to become sine squared x plus cosine squared x over cosine x. And there's a rule which is Pythagorean identity, which is sine squared x plus cosine squared x is equals to 1, and this will going to become 1 over cosine x, and 1 over cosine x is equals to 1 over cosine x. So this equation is an identity equation.
And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye!